Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delay on Messenger. You will click on settings as you see. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about the application of Messenger and you will enter. In this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your